Good morning. Your name?
Yeah, thank you.
You're going to plead to impeding, right?
Yes, sir.
Responsible or not responsible? Okay, I'll accept the plea. 160, cashier under the hall to your right. Good luck.
All right, thank you, sir.
Thank you. People against Popovsky.
Chris.
Gabriel, Christine Popovsky, 2588-388-188. Your name?
Yeah.
Counsel? Ma'am, your name?
Gabriel.
So what are we gonna do on this?
I'm gonna dismiss count one. She sent me an email, it didn't go through, and then she later sent it to me, so I will dismiss count one.
What's gonna happen to count two?
He'll plead guilty to count two, and then there's another one that I missed before that was added. The pending case, but it's not adjudicated. But she did pick up a no offense.
Welcome back to the courtroom, where a simple plea can spiral into serious consequences in seconds. What starts as routine traffic cases quickly turns into a tense probation showdown involving missed tests, pending charges, and a judge clearly running out of patience. One defendant's explanation might sound reasonable, but is it enough to keep her out of jail? Stay locked in, because this hearing proves just how fast things can turn when probation is on the line.
Not good.
But, you know,
She got 3 charges.
Technically two if I dismiss count
I
one.
get it. So she was going to, so probation is going to move to dismiss count one. And what is she going to do with the remaining 2 counts? She's going to plead as to count 2. What about the failure to refrain from violating a law?
Judge, the new offense is an automatic violation, but that case is still pending, so
Yeah.
I'm pleading guilty to violating my, don't quite there yet. She was pushing notes that she hasn't done the court yet. Or we can hold that one back and she can just plead to the count two at this point.
If you plead to get count 2, ma'am, that's a technical violation. You don't have any priors. You could get 5 days. If you're convicted on the other charge, that's a non-technical violation. You could get 93. Do you understand that? Did you sign, read, and understand the advice of rights?
Yeah.
If you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights and there will not be a hearing or a trial. Do you understand that?
Yeah.
Is the count 2 that you failed to submit the monthly testing as ordered on October 14th? How do you plead? Failed to appear for testing on that day?
Yes, I want the next morning.
Anybody force you to plead guilty? I'm gonna enter a not guilty plea. As to count 3, I'm dismissing count 1, motion to probation officer. I'm accepting the plea. Count 2. She's only been on probation for 3 months. This is not good. Can I see the screening report? I mean, you can always.
We only have her testing monthly right now, that's my concern. And then I was gonna see if maybe you wanted to consider changing her alcohol class to treatment. Just while we see how this pans out. I think there's probably more going on than we initially
Of
realized.
course.
Judge, if I may, regarding the test from the 14th, she was on her way to the test. She brought a receipt of earlier time on the way to the test. She tested the next day and did the ETG and 5% results were negative on both of those on the 15th.
Does she have a court date on the other case yet?
I looked it up like, I think Wednesday last week and nothing. They did send me the police report, but there's no court date when I looked it up yet. It occurred, yeah, 24th. Thank you.
You should get the police report. I'm setting a sentencing date. Did we set the other one on November 3?
No.
When's the other date? You said November 13th?
13th and 17th, I'm on your violator day. I think that's the one.
Let's set this for November 13th. You acquire the police report. You should amend the charge.
I have the police report.
Good. You can add another charge, failure to refrain from consuming alcohol on that date. There's no reason I can't go forth with that. No reason I can't. PO to amend. We'll set all of that then, Lee. So give me a time, if you would, please, on the 13th. And I'm going to go ahead. I'm sorry,
8:30.
at 8:30. Okay, ma'am?
Do you want to keep her testing monthly?
No, I'm gonna do this, actually, as a condition of your bond, defendant to be, and this is gonna be $1,000 personal bond. You're not only to comply with all terms and conditions of probation, you are to be on a Soberlink device by the end of the day and test weekly. Do you understand that? So we're going to have you do that. So that's a condition of a bond. So Soberlink by the end of the day, you're going to have to come up with some money and they're going to send you out to Livonia, right? Warrant. We'll always change it. How much is it again? Yeah, that's what we'll do. And then you come back here for sentencing on that later date. Any questions? All right, good luck.
Thank you, Judge.
Your name?
John Faber.
All right, so you're gonna plead to no proof and you want time to pay, right? To the charge, no proof of insurance, responsible or not responsible.
Responsible, sir.
Plea is accepted. Do you have insurance now?
No, not yet. I just got a new job, so I was gonna ask you to wait a week, possibly two.
I don't have a problem with that. You can't drive without insurance. You get yourself in all kinds of trouble. You know what I mean?
I've noticed.
How much, so your total here is going to be 185. Tell me how much you can afford to pay.
I just started the job. I don't know if they hold my first check, so I was gonna ask them for 14 days and I'll pay the whole sum.
I'll tell you what, I'll just give you until November the 20th to pay it in full. How's that?
That's amazing, sir. Thank you.
If you need more time because you don't have the money, you call the court. We'll go on Zoom. I'll give you an extension, okay?
Thank you very much, sir. Have a great day.
You too. Thanks a lot. Damian Lee Edwards, 25W840083. Do you have that? I think you need to tell me whether there's injuries or,
Yeah, that's what I knew that was a mistake. I just didn't know if
okay.
there was an impeding traffic that was already, issued in the past or not. That's what I'm trouble reading right here.
Yeah, all I need to know is if there was injuries or serious damage.
No injuries, minor damage.
Okay. Your name, sir?
Daniel Lambert.
Good morning to you. You're going to plead to impeding traffic, right?
Yes, sir.
And then they're going to dismiss the speed, right?
Mhm.
Yes?
Yes, sir.
All right, this is a commercial motor vehicle, right?
Yes, sir.
Charge impeding traffic, responsible or not responsible?
Possible.
All right, 180 is your total. Cashier under the hall. You're all set. Good luck.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You're welcome. Joshua Evan Worthy, 25W838369. Good morning, sir. Your name? So you're gonna plead to minor damage, no injuries, you can plead to impeding traffic, right? Responsible and not responsible. Plea is accepted, initial charge dismissed, 195 is your total, you're all set.
Thank you.
Have a good day. Amanda Dawn Igna, 25B149457. Your name, ma'am? All right, so you're going to plead to impeding. It says two vehicle crash, no injuries, minor damages. So I'll take that to that charge of impeding traffic, responsible or not responsible. All right, I'll accept the plea, dismiss the original charge, 195. You're all set. Sorry to keep you waiting. I had to check on you, okay?
Thank you.
David Scott Morton Jr. Is David Scott Morton Jr. here? Rachel Marie Giles, 25B149683. All right, your name?
Rachel Giles?
All right, so you're gonna plead to impeding traffic, right? Responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
They got you going 50 and a 30 in a school zone. Please slow down, okay? All right, 155 is your total. You got a good record though. You're all set. Original charge is dismissed, 155. Thank you. Is David Scott Morton Jr. here? Why are people leaving? Huh? Get it. All right, Reinecker. Eric Stephen Reinecker, 25B149680. Good morning. Your name?
Eric Hunter.
All right, so you're gonna plead to impeding, right? Responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
Please accept it. The original charge dismissed, 150. You're all set. Have a good day. Willie Johnson the second, third rather. Willie Johnson the third, 25F 244559. Your name, sir? You're gonna plead to no proof of insurance, right? All right, you have insurance now?
Yeah.
Okay, to the charge of no proof of insurance, responsible or not responsible. All right, I'll cut it down for you to 145. Please accept it. And then you tell me when you can pay this. You need to set up a weekly plan or are you gonna pay it in full? How much? Where do you work?
I'm laid off right now.
Pay 40 per week. Beginning November 10th, is that good?
Sure.
If you don't have the money at any time, you call the court, we'll go on Zoom, I'll give you an extension, okay? Best of luck. Carter Ashton Gardock, 25 W840000. Your name?
Carter Gravati.
All right, Mr. Glowacki. What are you driving like this for? You're 17?
Yep.
Gonna slow down, be careful. Are you a junior or senior?
Senior.
All right. Cars are not toys, okay? To the charge impeding responsible or not responsible. Please accept at 150. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Sergeant, I'm sorry, Lieutenant? Sergeant,
Yes,
would you remind everybody to come in? I don't know where some of these people.
yes, I was talking, Mr. Morton's in here now.
What are
He
they?
was, I think he's a Woodhaven case, but
Yeah, there's another one that they didn't come in. Igna, if you could kind of remind those guys,
okay.
just to tell them, I don't know why anybody would not come in court, but that's fine.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. David Morton, David Scott Morton Jr., 25B149594. How you doing, Mr. Morton? Your name? All right. Please be careful, will you? To the charge, if you're going to plead to impeding, the speed will be dismissed, right?
Yes, sir.
To that charge, responsible or not responsible? Please accept it. Speed's dismissed, 155. You're all set. Good luck. William Thomas Hopper, 25W840100. Good morning. Your name?
William Thomas Hunter.
So you met with the department rep, you're going to plead to impeding, right?
That's sir.
Responsible or not responsible to that? All right. 175, you're all set.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Justin Stack. Justin Anthony Stack, 25T646137. How you doing, Mr. Stack?
Good, how are you?
Your name?
Justin Stack.
All right. You're going to plead to impeding, right?
Yeah,
For that charge, responsible or not responsible?
responsible.
You had a default entered, why?
At class for work.
The next time you got to call ahead of time, okay?
Yeah.
You had class,
For work, yeah.
why didn't you call us ahead of time and tell us?
I forgot.
Yeah. Is this your mother? Sister?
No, I'm alone.
Okay. I forgot. I love it. To the charge impeding traffic, responsible or not responsible? You had a lot of tickets?
No,
What's your first?
not
No.
my first ticket.
How many tickets have you had?
So,
A handful.
no points though.
Well, I know, because you keep coming in and getting impeding. Slow down, will you?
Yeah.
How can you forget such a thing? $200. Go sign your bond over and you're all set.
All right, appreciate it, thank you.
Good luck. Susan Marie Bixler, 25T646549. Your name, ma'am?
Susan Nixon.
You're going to plead to impeding traffic, true?
Yes.
Responsible or not responsible? Please accept it. Amber Lights dismissed. 150. You're all set. Thank you very much. People against, Popovsky, Gabrielle Christine Popovsky, file 25WA38818A. I'm going to have Ramirez and Langmeyer seated at the table up here. Or either table. Nope, you come up to the podium, then. Your name?
Gabrielle Popovsky.
So you're charged with failure to attend the court work program on October the 11th.
Yeah.
And failure to submit the monthly testing is ordered on October 14th.
Yeah. For both of them.
Hang on 1 second. If you plead guilty or if you're found guilty, so you've missed the court work program October 11, monthly, failed to appear for monthly testing on October 14th. If you plead guilty or if you're found guilty, you could get 10 days in jail. I'm just telling you that. 1 day, 5 days for every violation. Do you understand that? And did you sign, read, and understand that advice of rights form here today?
Yes.
If you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights, and there will be no hearing. Do you understand that? You have the right to a lawyer. If you want one, I'll give you. You want a lawyer?
Yes, please.
For a small minute,
You gotta take it out of here, sir, please.
Cover it up.
No, I want it out now. Signs all over the building.
Yeah, please.
I'll enter a not guilty plea for you. I will give you a lawyer, and we will take care of that today, okay? So, John, you're gonna settle up with a lawyer, and then either way, you'll come back in front of me, okay? Best of luck. Mark Leslie Langmeyer, 25T646331. Morning, Mr. Langmeyer. How are you?
Been a while.
It has. That's a good thing. You're staying out of here. Your name?
Langmeyer.
So you're going to plead to prohibited parking?
Yes, sir.
To that charge, responsible or not responsible? Pardon?
Responsible for explanation.
Yeah. So you plead responsible? I'll listen to the explanation.
There's a friend of mine, I take him to his work on Wednesday and Saturday nights, musicians, he drive right. And so he lives out in Marion on Fourth Street. And everybody uses, it's posted, it's a fire lane, but everybody, it's a little, big enough for moving vans to go down. Everybody goes down there because their doors are on both sides of the sidewalk. And so I picked him up, load up the car, take him to his show, bring him home, unload his car. That particular night, I went to leave, Your Honor, and there was two other cars One in front of me, one behind me. It's late, I'm not gonna go knock on doors, and you can't get around them because they have big rocks along the sidewalks on this side. I'm not just go back inside and wait for one to leave. I went back out a little later. Both cars still sitting there. I went back inside, come back out again, 15, 20 minutes later. Both cars are still there. I went back inside, sat down on the couch. I fell asleep. I woke up, it was 5:30. Of course, I go out there, both guys were gone, so I left. And when I got home, I noticed a piece of paper in my windshield, it was a ticket for parking there. Otherwise, I wouldn't have been there, but I couldn't move.
All right, so I'll cut it down for you, okay? $70. You go down the hall, you sign over your bond, we'll refund the balance, okay? Have a good day. Take care of yourself. Thank you. Josu, correct, 25B149596. How you doing? Your name?
Yeah.
All right. How you doing? Good? Nice to see somebody smiling up here. Huh? You're gonna plead to you gotta have him this again, John. Yeah. Dakota, have a seat right behind you, please. Dakota Vendia Chirillo, 25B149665.
He's gonna ask me.
He's gonna tell me over now.
Legal accident.
Your name?
So,
You're going to plead to impeding, right?
yes, go.
Responsible or not responsible? All right, I'm gonna accept the plea. 170 is your total. Slow down, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Good luck. Andrew Scott Mondelli, 25W840261. Good morning. Your name?
Andrew Mondelli.
You're going to plead to impeding traffic, true?
Yes, Your Honor.
That charge responsible or not responsible?
Responded.
I'll accept the plea. 150, you're all set, cash your end of the hall. You're right. Good luck.
Thank you.
Gloria Michelle Johnson, 25W840056. Your name, ma'am?
Lauren Delger.
You're going to plead to impeding traffic, right?
Yes.
Responsible or not responsible to that? Please accept it. Speeds dismissed. 150. You're all set. Have a good day. Thank you. Popovsky, Gabriel Christine Popovsky. 25W83888188. Did you already meet with a lawyer?
Yes.
Mr. Haynes, your appearance?
Ms. Popovsky.
I'm gonna need Ms. Tessino in here. Your name, ma'am?
Gabrielle Popovsky.
The charge is failure to attend the court work program on October 11th. Also failure to submit the testing is ordered on October 14th. I arraigned her. She said she wanted a lawyer. I entered a not guilty plea. How is she going to proceed?
I wanted to wait and see when Ms. Pino got here. She did miss these things, but she had pretty good reasons for missing them. She had tried to email Ms. Tessino. So I wanted to see if Ms. Tessino wanted to still support the violation. If she does, she would.
I'll let you talk to Ms. Tessino. How's that? Okay, thanks. Okay, come on up here, ma'am, Ms. Lanos. Recalling, Camargo Lanos, 25B149596. How you doing? Your name again? You saying no two vehicle crash, no injuries, minor damage. You're going to plead to impeding, right? Responsible or not responsible to that? Plea is accepted. Original charge dismissed. 195. You're all set? Yeah. How much time do you need? Do you work right now?
I'm a full-time college student and I
Where do you go to school?
Wednesday.
Good. I'll tell you what, we'll just do, how about 30 per week? And I'll start this beginning November 20th, good? And if you need more time, if you don't have the money, things happen in life, just call the court. We'll go on Zoom or walk in here on it before your due date at 8:30, and I'll be happy to give you an extension, okay? Best of luck.
You can hear the shift in tone herein. That matters. The judge isn't just reacting to one missed test anymore. He's looking at patterns, risk, and accountability. Ordering a Soberlink device is a big deal. That's the court saying, trust is gone. Verification is next. Weekly testing, immediate compliance, and a $1,000 personal bond signal real concern that things could spiral further. Some might say this is strict, but others would argue it's preventative. What do you think? Is this the court stepping in early to prevent harm, or already preparing for a bigger violation down the road?
Thanks. Could I have Paul Emery seated at the table? Your name, sir?
Austin Everbank?
You're going to plead to impeding traffic, right?
Yes, sir.
Responsible or not responsible to that?
Responsible.
Plea is accepted.
Accept.
What's that?
Accept.
You accept?
My apologies.
You don't have to apologize. 160. You want this job? Come up here. I'll get. Good luck. 160. You're all set.
One request from you, Honor.
Yeah.
I'm currently employed.
When can you just tell me when you can pay it? December 5th?
That'll work.
December 5th. Good luck.
Thank you.
Lisa Suzanne Kelly Bunker, 25T646-583. Your name, ma'am?
And Lisa Bunker.
All right, Ms. Bunker, you are going to plead to impeding traffic, true?
Yes, I am.
To that charge, responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
All right, I'll accept the plea to dismiss the original charge. You're all set, 150. Thank you. All right, let's go. I thought he was ready. Minerva LeBron Rodriguez, 25T646-683. All right, so you met with them, you're going to plead to impeding, right? Responsible or not responsible?
Yes.
Responsible? Please accepted, speeds dismissed, 155, you're all set. How much time?
45 days.
Are you working? $30 due each week, beginning November the 20th, okay?
Can I make a payment, a first payment day and then start?
Yeah, you can then start on November 20th, is that what you're saying? How much can you pay today?
40.
You pay 40 now, and then 30 a week starting November 20. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Tanner Richard Daniel, 25T646-225.
This courtroom session shows exactly how probation works in real life. Small decisions carry big consequences. From missed testing and court programs to pending charges and tightened bond conditions, the judge balanced patience with accountability every step of the way. The ruling didn't end the case, but it made one thing clear: compliance moving forward is non-negotiable. And that's the bigger takeaway here: probation isn't passive, it's active supervision. If you found this case as intense and eye-opening as we did, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to the channel for more real, unfiltered courtroom breakdowns you won't see anywhere else.